Hey there, this is B-Ray549. Hey, I thought I might show you an upgrade I did to the shop a while back. And it's these tilt-out bins. And these are plastic, they're real sturdy plastic bins that you can remove, fill them up, put them back in its spot. They're clear so you can see the inside, see what's in them. You can put labels on them, you can move them around. But I ran into a roadblock on this particular application. I needed an extra row of the larger bins. And as you can see, the bottom row is one tilt-out bin shy of a full length. And that's because I have my outlet here and my light switch there, and it wouldn't allow me to put a full row in. And I thought about what I was going to do, and I thought, well, I'll just build some wood bins and attach it to the wall right below it. But then I thought, why not just eliminate one of the tilt-out bins? So that's what I did. And this is a real nice set. You can buy the gray ones on Amazon. They're by OEM Tools. And you get two links of the medium-size tilt-out bins, plus one row of the small ones. So what I'm using it for is for my nails, miscellaneous nails, and my construction screws. And it makes it really easy to get to. You can find them right away and everything. So if you're working on a project that's away from your shop, you can just take the tilt-out bin of whatever size screws you need. And so before I had the gray ones, I had a bunch of tan ones, and I needed to add more. So instead of, I couldn't find any tan ones, so I just bought new gray ones and put them up there. And then with some of the leftovers, I installed a row of them above the window. And it's items that I really don't use every day, just once in a while. And then so initially I just had that top row, and I wanted to add another row, but there was really no place to put it, so I thought, why don't I just cut them down and install them on the right and the left side of the windows. So that's what I did, and let me show you how I did that. So first thing I want to do is take out the tilt-out bins. And set those aside. So what I'm going to do, I need one more single to go up on the left side of the window. So I am going to, I'm going to just cut it off right on this inside here of the second bin. And I'll show you how to do that. So there you have it. I'm going to clean that up a bit, and then I'm going to clean this one up a bit too, because this can be used in another application somewhere in the shop. Okay, so the next step is I'm going to trim off all this extra plastic that probably really don't need to do it, but it cleans things up a bit, just makes it a little nicer. Okay, so there you can tell how cleaned up that can look. Here's a small one, single. Okay, so there we go. That is going to go right here. And that'll even it up and be very symmetrical. And I'll be able to have a place for all my biscuits, dowels, plugs, and pegs. So that's my tilt-out bins. It's actually a fun project. Real simple to do. You can get them online, Amazon. I think Harbor Freight sells them. And they have a variety of colors to choose from, depending on what brand you go with. And it's just a great way to store your nails and fasteners and construction screws, or whatever you have, any kind of fastener really. Saves a lot of space. So appreciate you watching. Have a great day.